Introducing the Landhopper, a newly registered nameplate with the Japanese Patent and Trademark Office, just days after the global debut of the 250 series. As per a recent report from Japan, this new entry will make its official debut next month at the Japan Mobility Show, formerly known as the Tokyo Motor Show, scheduled between October 25th and November 25th. Now, the big question is the Landhopper an actual production vehicle? Well, as a trademark, yes, but as a series production vehicle, it's not quite there yet. Unveiled on August 2nd alongside a 7-seat electric crossover, the Land Cruiser's compact sibling shares the dimensions of the Corolla Cross but retains a body-on-frame construction. It is understood that Toyota has adapted the GA-F platform from the 250 and 300 series for this particular application. Often referred to affectionately as the Land Cruiser Mini by Land Cruiser enthusiasts, the Landhopper can be seen on the left side of the main photo. This rugged, body-on-frame 4x4 is expected to arrive at Japanese dealerships in the second half of 2024. If there's a case for its introduction in the United States, it would likely be as a 2025 model. While being touted as the most affordable Land Cruiser model, even though it's likely to be marketed under a different name, the Landhopper is expected to have a price tag of less than 4 million yen, which translates to approximately $20,000 to $25,000 at current exchange rates, according to the mentioned publication. In the photograph, we can see the Land Cruiser's unmistakable silhouette on the left side, with a spare tire mounted on the swing gate, chunky off-road tires, and a smaller footprint compared to the Prado. Notably, the Landhopper features distinctive front signature lighting and rear quarter panels that set it apart from the Prado. The Landhopper may not impress in the power department but is expected to offer a range of engine options, including a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder turbo and a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain. There's also mention of 1.8 and 2.0-liter engines as potential candidates. Given the vehicle's body-on-frame construction, Toyota is likely to prioritize low-end torque for better off-road performance. Although a battery electric version is rumored, Toyota has yet to introduce an electric truck or SUV based on the GA-F platform. However, hybrid power is still a possibility. The upcoming Tacoma is rumored to offer a 2.4-liter turbo hybrid as its top powertrain option, while the Tundra is expected to feature a 3.4-liter engine with 2 turbochargers and 6 cylinders. If the Landhopper opts for the RAV4 Hybrid's 2.5-liter hybrid, it should provide ample power with 219 horsepower and 252 pound-feet of torque, making it suitable for a compact SUV. For those who recall the midsize FJ Cruiser, it was equipped with a 4.0-liter V6 engine, available with either a 6-speed manual or a 5-speed automatic transmission. This engine, codenamed 1GRFE, delivered 260 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque.